Alright, so here I am with my buddies here on this really happening weather-wise Saturday evening here on top of Mount Royal. It was my idea to come up here because we weren't far away in Côte des Neiges. And I said, guys, let's go fucking see what it looks like, this city, in a snowstorm. And look how fucking outstanding this is. This is like as if it was a heavy downpour in the summer. Look, you practically don't see shit. The visibility is like, it's almost zero. It's really incredible. What do you think, Simon? Simon? It's amazing. I keep thinking though, this would be a great place to get some snow removal equipment happening though. Let's go see what's going on in the street before we pack it in. It's amazing, eh? There's nothing up here you can buy. The only thing you can get is actually make a phone call in that payphone over there. I always thought that was amazing. You know? There's my friend's 97 Tercel, which is very proud of. It's actually very clean for the year. Yeah, not the best driving conditions, not much traction at all. Too bad I can't see the cross from here though. Well, I think that's all she wrote, man. That's spooky, eh? What a trip. This is exactly the kind of thing that's different and unique and thinking outside the box that my channel needed. Right on. No parking. No parking. What do you mean no parking? It's a fucking mountain. Yeah. And look, you see how they have those flashing lights over there? That's because of the sharp curve. It's not just a sharp curve, but it's also because it's on a steep incline too. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, I've never seen it this dead up here, that's for sure. Anyway, that's it for that.